Sedan crater was done in 1962, July of 1962. It was part of the Plowshare program. What they were trying to see is if you could take a very large device, in this case it was 104 kilotons, and use it to dig a canal, a nuclear device to dig with. The answer to the question is yes, but this nation never did it because of the residual radiation that's left behind. But what you've got with Sedan crater is a big hole in the ground that's 1,800 feet across and about 300 feet deep, and it shows you the force that you can have from a 104 kiloton nuclear device.